Hello students, let us find out a very interesting question of Olympiad. In this, we need to find the area of the square. What is given to us in the question is the hypotenuse is divided among two parts. That is a triangle with 48, which is an orange triangle, and the other triangle, which is having the hypotenuse as 36, which is the blue triangle. And we need to find the area of square. So now let us draw the figure again. Let us name the triangle to be the ABC. ABF is my orange triangle. BDC is my blue triangle. The hypotenuse of the orange is 48. The hypotenuse of the blue triangle is 36. Both are right triangles. Now we can see that both are having the right triangles and angles are common. So we are having that the triangle ABF is similar to triangle BCD, which means that the sides are in same ratio. Now let us assume that the side of the square to be x. So by AA similarity, we are having AB upon BC is equals to AF upon BD, which is equals to 48 by 36. That is 4:3 is the ratio of AB is to BC. That means, again, what we are having over here is, because I'm assuming the side to be the x of triangle of square. So I'm having the ratio AF is to x is again equals to 4 by 3. So my AF side length is x times of 4 by 3. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem for a triangle that is ABF. Now what we are having is the AB length as 48, AF as 4 by 3 times of x, and BF, that is the x. So x square is equals to 4 by 3x square, that is equal to 48 square, which is giving us the equation x square plus 16 by 9 x square equal to 2304. We can take x square common and we are having the remaining term in the bracket as 1 plus 16 by 9. We can simplify this by taking the LCM and we are having x square into, when we take the LCM as 9, we will be having 9 by 9 plus 16 by 9. So inside the bracket, there will be 25 by 9 as the term x square into 25 by 9, that is giving us 2304. Now what we are having is, we need to simplify this for x square. So for getting the value of x square, we are multiplying 9 by 25 to the both the sides. So we are having x square, which is the area of our triangle, that is 829.44. This is our required area.